Do you want to get paid to do tasks online? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid $50 plus per sitting doing simple tasks. You don't need any experience to get started, and most tasks take less than 15 minutes. See how you can start working from home today. So, watch the video all through, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. Have you ever wanted to make money online? Get paid to complete simple tasks online. This is a real opportunity, and it's 100% legitimate. No experience is needed, just a computer and an internet connection. Taskverse.com. Taskverse is an open platform that connects businesses with freelancers, called taskers. As a tasker, you can complete paid tasks on your own schedule, from anywhere in the world. You don't need any special skills to join, simply sign up and complete your profile when you first log in. To sign up, simply input your email address and choose a password, or sign in with a Google account if you have one. You'll then receive an email with a verification link. Once you verify your email, you're all set. When tasks matching your profile become available, you'll hear from them with instructions on what to do next. People on Taskverse are part-time freelancers who are paid on a per-task basis. You can work on your own schedule from anywhere in the world and getting paid per task. You can earn around $10 to $50 per task. Taskverse also offers referral rewards. However, their referral scheme differs from other GPT sites. Taskverse referral model is task-based. Some tasks let you invite others. When someone clicks your invite link and signs up, they become your referral. Your referral must complete the invited task to receive the referral reward. Thus, it's a task-based referral system. Approved tasks have their payouts handled once each week, on Thursday, US time. There is no minimum earning required for receiving payment. Payments are made through PayPal as long as you have earned money prior to the payment being processed. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up and comment saying, I like it. Check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.